Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Halloween silhouette layered card. Isn't this scene super fun with that witch there at the top? There's some ghosts, some skulls, some spiders, some bats. It's really fun and really intricate. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. Now like I said, this cut is kind of intricate, so just be careful and make sure to use the proper techniques in order to ensure a clean cut. Let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2023. If you'd like to purchase the individual cut file for this project, you can head to my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. This project is also available with the VIP Access Pass. With the VIP Access Pass, you get access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. For more information on the VIP Access Pass, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2023. I have both links listed in the video description. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and click Ungroup. We need to do some converting to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope, highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base, highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. After those two have been converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and layer up our front cover panel. So we're going to start with the red layer, then the orange, and then the purple. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, there is our fun front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side to go ahead and dry. I'll mat and layer the messaging panel. Set that to the side. We can take our card base and go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Let's add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. And now we can add the front cover panel to the front. And there is our Halloween silhouette layered card. I'm going to let that dry and I will show you how to make the envelope. First thing that we're going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Add the inlay over the cutout on the envelope. Spin that envelope around. Bring in those side flaps. Add your glue along the bottom edge of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this card? I love the little scene. I'm not super into spooky, but I actually really love this card because it really embodies a lot of the Halloween decor that we're used to. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through our Facebook group or through email. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye.